A father is 4 times as old as his son. In 20 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. Find the present age of each. So, if you're already good, you can directly create the equations. Ang una mong gagawin is to determine the character. So, si father at saka si son. So, alam mo, nang gagamitin mo dyan is si father at saka si F at saka si S. Pero huwag mo na isulat. Just keep it in your mind. Tapos, once na alam mo na yung variables na gagamitin mo, you then try to take one sentence at a time. So, a father is 4 times as old as his son. So, itong statement na to, ang sabi, si father daw is 4 times as old as his son. So, i-multiply ko ng 4 yan. Kung medyo hindi mo pagamay, you can try to use a comparison operator. Okay? So, we got here equation number 1. Next, in 20 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. Okay, so, nabanggit dito, in 20 years, so alam mo na ang pinag-uusapan dito is the age in the future. So, you have to add 20 dun sa edad ng father kasi nabanggit siya dito, in 20 years, the father, so, kunin mo na agad yung edad ni father in 20 years, and is being compared dun sa edad ni son. Anong edad ni son? Yun ding edad niya after 20 years. So, huwag mong kalimutan, sorry, this is S, huwag mong kalimutan na dagdagan ng 20 ito. Alamin mo na agad kung anong kino-compare age ba nila in the future or present lang. So, you have to be careful na hindi mo makakalimutan yung plus 20 dito. Okay? In 20 years. So, ang sabi, yung edad daw ni father is twice as old as his son. So, kino-compare lang natin yung dalawang edad. At ito daw ay doble nung edad ni tatay. Yung edad ng anak. So, we have here equation number 2. Pero bago natin i-label yan, i-simplify na muna natin. So, si father is equal to 2 times the son plus 2 times 20 is 40 minus 20. So, got here 20. So, ito yung magiging equation number 2. Okay? So, you can try to do the PEMDAS practice kung hindi mo pa alam. But I hope wala tayong problema na dito. Okay? So, now that you got here, the equation number 1 and equation number 2, kukunin na natin yung present age. Ito, ang variable dito is F and S. Dito, ang variable din sa second equation natin is F and S. So, pwedeng direct substitution para sila ng variable. So, substitute natin yung father dito sa equation na to. Okay? So, si father will become 4 times S. F is equal to 4S. So, yung F is equal to 4S is hindi ko na sinulat na F, I simply write 4S. Okay? So, bring down this one only, 2S plus 20. Then, combine similar term, 4 minus 2 is 2S is equal to 20, dun yung edad ng sun is 10. Then you try to check it using trial and error. Kung may choices. Pero focus lang muna tayo dun sa computations. Now that we know that the sun is 10 years old, pwede nating balikan dito ngayon yung equation number 1. Or we can substitute it also in equation 2. So, kunin ko muna sa equation number 1. Okay? So, that will become F is equal to 4S. So, 4 times 10 is equivalent to 40. Pero kung gagamitin ko naman yung equation number 2, F 4S, F is equal to 2S plus 20. So, that will become 2 times 10. Here, 2S plus 20, equation number 2. So, that will become 2 times 10 plus 20. So, we got here 20 plus 20. You will have here 40. So, yung edad ni father is 40. Okay? So, ito yung kay son, ito yung kay father. Okay? Checking with this one, we'll do the checking. Visually, 10 and 40 is 4 times as old. So, this is correct. Nakuha natin equation 1 sa sentence 1. So, in 20 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. So, 20 years, ang edad nito is, dagdagan natin ng plus 20, that's 30. Si father naman is 40 plus 20, that is 60. So, these are their ages after 20 years. Comparing these two, doble, di ba? Ito kay father, ito kay son. So, nag-comply din tayo dito sa second statement. So, our solution is correct. Okay? So, let's try to solve another problem. Similar lang din ito do sa dati, just sa problem na sinolve natin. So, Fred is 4 years older than Barney. Again, kahit hindi mo pa nababasa yung buong sentence, pag alam mo maiksi lang naman, ay yung buong paragraph, pag alam mo maiksi lang yung paragraph, pwedeng diretso ka na mag-solve nung mag-create ng equation. Alam mo yung dalawang variable, si si Fred at saka si Barney. So, si Fred at saka si Barney. Kino-compare sila dito, di ba? Ang sabi, 4 years older daw. So, we have to add 4 dun sa edad ni Barney. So, si Barney plus 4. So, you just have to identify first yung variable, tapos gawa ka ng equation. Ganun lang kasimple. Next, 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 48. So, i-add daw natin yung edad ni Fred at saka ni Barney. Pero you have to take note again of this one. Yung time muna ay 5 years ago. So, kunin mo yung edad ni Fred 5 years ago. So, ang present age ni Fred is F minus 5. Yung present age naman ni Barney is equivalent to B minus 5. So, kino-compare ba ito dito? Hindi. Rather, it's being added. Sum ang hinahanap. So, we're going to add these two entity. Ilagay ko na lang sa parenthesis para makita yung grouping. Ito yung edad ni Fred 5 years ago. Ito yung edad ni Barney 5 years ago. I-add daw natin yan, that is equivalent to 48. Again, huwag mong kakalimutan yung time na i-subtract or i-add. Depende kung ano yung nakabigay dun sa given. Okay? So, ilagay mo agad muna yung time. Kung ipa-plus 5 mo o ima-minus 5 mo. Depende nga dun sa given na time. Okay? So, simplify na natin ito. That will become F plus B is equal to 48 plus 10 kasi minus 5 minus 5 is negative 10. 48 plus 8 is equivalent to 58. Negative 10, lipat sa kabila, positive 10. So, 48 plus 10. Okay? So, this will now be equation number 2. I-label natin to equation number 1. So, F and B. So, parehas silang ng variable. Pwedeng i-substitute ko na ito dito directly. So, ang F is equal to B plus 4. So, ilagay ko lang B plus 4 itong F na to. Okay? Tapos, i-bring down ko yung B na to is equal to 58. Okay? Sinubstitute ko na yon papunta dito. Okay? So, 58. Okay? So, we're now going to combine this term. Simplify natin. That will become 2B is equal to 58 minus 4 is equivalent to 54. So, magiging 27. Is this correct? Wait lang. 2B, 58 minus 4 is 54. 54 is 25 plus 2, that's 27. So, alam natin ngayon si Barney is equivalent sa 27. Then, use trial and error, the time method, dun sa choices. Pero wala pa tayong choices, so focus lang tayo dun sa computations para gamay natin paras. Kasi baka mamaya doble ng 27. Okay? So, proceed tayo. How do we solve now the age of Fred? We can use yung equation number 1 is equal to B plus 4. Okay? Or pwede din sa equation number 2. Isa lang yung gagamitin mo. You don't have to solve both. Okay? So, B, you don't have to use both. Okay? So, B plus 4, okay? From equation number 1 nga, at this one, okay, here. So, B plus 4 is equivalent to, yung B natin is 27 plus 4, that's equivalent to 31. So, si Fred dito is equivalent sa 31. So, yung sagot natin, 27 and 31. So, try to check. 4 years by difference nila. 31 and 27. Yes. Mas matanda si Fred. Yes. Okay. Next, 5 years ago. Add daw natin yung 48 yun. So, i-add natin yung edad nila 5 years ago. Yung isa is 27, yung isa is 31. Pero, bawasan natin ito ng 5, bawasan din natin ng 5. Kasi hinahanap yung edad nila 5 years ago. At ang sum down niya is 48. Okay? So, ito yung edad ni Barney, ito yung edad ni Fred. Okay? Or the way that you can do this one is simply add this one. 27 minus 5 is 22, right? Okay? O tapos 31 minus 5 ay 26. So, 22 plus 26 is equivalent to 48. So, we're good. 48 is equivalent to 48. Okay? So, that's how you solve this particular type of page problem. Ang pagkakaiba nito, hindi more than. Ito ang nakalagay dito is sum. Okay? So, you just have to combine all those basic information na na-share natin doon sa mga previous video.